from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video, we're gonna learn how to install a WordPress plugin mainly from a file. Okay, so imagine the following scenario: you did purchase some premium plugin and you have the files and you don't know how to install it. Simple and easy, just follow me, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, please take a moment to find the files that you will download. In the case that you would like to download, for example, WordPress.org plugin, you're gonna need to find the plugin that you wish to download on WordPress.org. Click on download now. You're gonna always get a .zip file. Okay, if it's the ready to go files, nothing to do. All you have to do is download the files. If you are on Envato Market or Code Canyon, for example, you're gonna be an option to download a ready to install file, okay? And gonna be a .zip file as well. Then go to WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, go to your domain.com or domain.net plus WP admin or WP login and enter with your username or email and password, okay? After, you're gonna be into a page just like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard and hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the middle column next to add plugins, you're gonna be able to find a button called upload plugin. Click on it. Then click on choose file. If you have the plugin in .zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it there. So click on choose file. Select the plugin files that you just have downloaded. Click on open. Then click on install now. Wait while the plugin has been installed. Remember that you have to activate the plugin, so there is a button activate plugin. Click on it. This is gonna redirect you or to the plugin welcome page or to the plugins list page, where you can see all of the present plugins on the WordPress website, and the plugin is now installed. Okay, simple, easy and fast, but feel free to use the comment section below if any error appears on your case. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.